Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this really interesting 65 Corvair. It has been restored to the hilt. I mean, it is in great condition all the way down to a rebuilt motor. Body's in really good condition, so is the paint, and so is the interior. Really interesting car. They built these to compete with the Corvette. I'm not sure what GM was thinking back in the day, why they'd want to compete with one of their biggest IPs, but here it is. Very clean, power convertible top as well. There'll be a video of that. And I do like these spoke wire wheels though. I think those are pretty rad. Also, yeah, engine in the rear. You got the boot in front with your gas tank. So they're like, I don't know, decided to switch things up, kind of literally. But let's go ahead and crank her and take it for a spin. All right, heading to the road. I think my favorite thing about this is the little gear shifter. Just a little itty bitty knob. Gets the job done though. She runs really strong. I mean, she fired up, super nice. And she's nice and straight. I mean, she's definitely not the fastest dog out there, but we got working gauges, working clock, aftermarket radio, even a temp gauge for the front end. So that is a win in my book, and it's quite comfortable. I mean, I'm almost 6'2", and I fit in it nice, and my hat's not getting blown off right now. Nice and straight too. Little brake check as well. Just going perfectly straight. So yeah, nice little car. I'm gonna go ahead and make a U-turn. We'll get her back to the shop and up in the air.